Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you the exercise on create a drop-down list in a cell. And our goal here is to add data validation or drop-down list to cell A1. So here I'm going to put the values here, and the values would be yes, no, or maybe. In this, it's just a basic exercise regarding VBA coding. So I'm gonna start by right clicking the sheet number 1 tab, then click the view code, then I'm gonna insert the module 1, and then I'm gonna write the macro name would be add drop down, enter, then with range, you know already the range, it would be A1. That's where we're gonna put our drop down. So A1 dot validation. Okay, then enter. I'm gonna write dot delete, enter, dot add, type, and then colon, then equal sign, XL validate list, XL validate list, and then comma, alert style. I'm gonna say alert style, right? And then colon, equal sign, and XL valid alert stop. Okay, valid alert stop. Okay, then comma, operator, then colon, equal sign, underline, enter, and then the next one would be XL between, XL between. Okay, next is comma, then I'm gonna write formula 1. Okay, colon, equal sign, then okay, the value that I'm gonna put in the range would be yes. Okay, it would be yes, comma, then no, comma, then maybe. Okay, and then quotation mark, wrong spelling. Okay, alright, so what's next? I'm gonna write dot ignore blank, ignore blank, enter. It would be ignore in cell drop down. Okay, ignore blank equals true, right? The next is dot in cell drop down, in cell drop down. Okay, equals true. Okay, then next thing is dot show input, show input equals true. Next thing is, sorry, the spelling is wrong, it should be show. Okay, the next thing is that show error, show error, okay, equals true. Okay, then that's it. I'm gonna add in width here and in sub. Let's find out whether this code will work or not. Okay, let's go to Excel. Then I'm gonna open the developer tab and the macros. I'm gonna run the macros. I'm gonna run it. So you see, you already see the arrow, drop down arrow. Just click yes, no, or maybe. So that's it for our lesson for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.